Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel CAD-CAM Academy by Bhavi. So this is Bhavi Chauhan, and today we are going to see how to make a spring. So while making a spring, we need to first select uh, the curves from the features table. So select curve, helix, and spring. So from that we have to select a plane for that. So I might select a top plane. So while selecting a top plane, first circle off, and then smart dimensions and 100. I kept 100 as a diamond, suppose. Then go from features, curves, helix and sphere. Then see, we can see the outline preview of the spring, spring or helix, whatever you say. This is a helix. So here we need to give whatever the dimensions we want. So whatever way we need to define, we want to define. So I am defining as height and revolution. So height is 100 mm and revolution I am keeping it as a 10 revolutions, and height I am keeping it is at 1000 mm. 100 mm is okay, 1000 mm is too much, and revolutions are 5, and starting angle as 0 degree. Or let's see what happen if it's 90 degree. So 90 degree is also okay. So then click on the right. So I have made this as helix. So for now, making a spring, it should also have some thickness. So for thickness, we have to select a plane from here. So while selecting a plane, we have to see that the end part of this should be on the plane. So we have to select a plane like this, like that. So top plane is not that plane. Right side plane is also not that plane. So the main, and we can say that front plane is the only plane which on which the end of this spiral is touching here. This helix is touching here. So selecting the front plane, sketch, then control 8 so we can control see it properly. Then draw a circle with center as this point. Now smart dimensions, giving the diameter as 5. So I have drawn a circle here. Now go to swept boss base. Here we need to see a profile, select a profile. So the profile is this, and the path is this helix path. So as we can see, there is also already a preview, and now by clicking on the right, we can make the spring. So this is a spring of height 100 mm and total revolutions are 5 in this spring as per the given dimensions. So these were the given dimensions which we want. This is a spring, a helix, not a spiral. So this is how we can make a spring in easy way. So please like, comment and share my video, and if you are new then please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel. Thank you. This is Bhavi from CAD-CAM Academy.